The picking workshop is preset with 4 docking points for material pickup. Operators retrieve empty pallets from the RGV, place them on the empty pallet feeding buffer. Then, the empty pallets are conveyed to the stacking position. The push rod mechanism pushes the side column onto the flipping mechanism. After the workpiece is flipped 180, it is conveyed to the picking station. The gantry robot picks up the workpiece using a magnetic gripper and stacks it onto the tooling pallet. After one layer of side columns is fully stacked, the robot sequentially picks up 2 partitions from the partition conveyor and places them onto the workpiece. After the partitions are placed, the robot continues stacking the second layer of the pallet. After stacking is completed, the pallet is conveyed to the hoisting station. The RGV is compatible with parking guide rails, capable of carrying 10 tons, with a length of 12 meters and a width of 2 meters. The conveyor is equipped with a lifting or lowering function, equipped with guide or pushing rods on both sides. The vehicle is equipped with a safety obstacle avoidance system and an audible visual alarm system. Safe and stable. Operators manually lift and place the pallet onto the buffer station or directly hoisted onto the RGV. When handling large workpieces for pick and place operations, RGV automatically lowers the conveyor based on material alignment information, then lift the workpiece again. After loading is completed, operators manually send a material request or feeding request. The less logistic scheduling system sends a transport command to the RCS control system. RCS dispatch system drives the movement of the RGV. After the RGV is loaded with 3 pallets, it transports them to the unloading station. The unloading workshop is reserved with 3 RGV docking points. After the RGV arrives at the unloading station, the system checks whether the position is empty. Once confirmed, the full pallet is conveyed to the buffer station. The RGV moves to the empty pallet position, picks up the empty pallet, and returns it to the feeding station. The side column is manually moved to the welding fit-up station. Other heavy or large workpieces are hoisted by the existing gantry crane to the welding fit-up station.